basically, what actually did we learn? What is prompt engineering? So in order to understand prompt engineering, first you have to understand what actually is a prompt. So what actually is a prompt? Yeah, tell me. A prompt is just the question, instruction or message. You give it to me. That means it is saying, who is this me? It can be any AI tool. It can be ChatGPT. It can be DeepSeek. It can be Google Gemini. It can be anything, any other AI tools. Okay. So I know what you want. That means what it will know. What is the expected output any end user is having? Yes or no? Yes or no? So
Yes.
something. So in a layman term, in a very simple term, a prompt is equals to what you say to get the response you want. Simple. Let's say I want something, right? So definitely I have to tell that to the AI tool that okay, so this is something which I'm expecting. So accordingly, ChatGPT will process your inputs as a prompt. So basically, prompt is nothing but an instruction given to a AI tool. Yes. Now, who is a prompt engineer? What is prompt? Who is a prompt engineer? Anybody who can write good. Anybody who can write good prompts is a prompt engineer. Any personality who can write prompts is a prompt engineering. Then, that person is called as prompt engineer. But now the thing is, what is prompt engineering? So the art of writing a good prompt. That means mastering how to write a prompt is called as prompt engineering. Yes or no? Mastering
Yes.
the art of writing a good prompt is called as
Prompt engineering.
prompt engineering. Mastering the art of is called as prompt engineering. It's very simple. Okay, the art of writing. I can say writing excellent prompts. Writing excellent prompts is called as prompt engineering. Simple. Now let's start again with the basics. Now see, every AI tool will nowadays every AI tool is supporting custom behaviors. That means if you go to ChatGPT, so see, if I go to I will go here. Let's say I will just click here. I will go to profile. I will click on settings. Okay, and if I go to personalization, so here you can set your personality. I will just set it to nerd, explanatory and enthusiastic. Okay, here it is saying custom instructions that how you want that your ChatGPT should behave. That is equally important. Okay, so in order to understand this, if you read, it is saying additional behavior, style and tone. Now in order to understand this, what is tone, behavior, and again I will take the help of ChatGPT. What is that? See, these are the different kinds of tone any ChatGPT, any AI tool will have. Any prompt LLM based AI tool will have. What are they? Formal, informal, neutral, encouraging, serious, humorous, empathic. Okay, what are the styles? Explanatory, storytelling, concise, detailed, creative, instructional. What are the behaviors? Helpful, teacher, brainstorm partner, critic, companion, role play. Now you have to tweak this customization as per your needs. So what I did, I am just taking two of the statements from each of the customization. Two from tones, two from styles, and two from behaviors. So this two is from tone, the top two, and the next two is from
Behavior.
style, and the last two is the from the behavior. Now what I will do, instead I will tell ChatGPT itself. Okay, what I will do, help me create a instruction. Help me create a custom instruction following the below tone, behavior, and then tone, behavior, and style, right?
Right.
And then what I will do, I will come here, I will just copy this entire thing, I will come here, I will paste it. Simple, done. ChatGPT itself will do the things for me. You don't have to worry about this. See, it will give you see. Now what I will do, I will just copy this. Okay, copy, and I will go here, I will paste it. Done. Simple. Okay. After this, see, you
Your
can also
name.
like yes. After this, nickname. Let's say my name is Shah. Okay, I will just give right the ServiceNow coach, the ServiceNow coach. Okay, the ServiceNow coach. Occupation. If you want to give occupation, of
Coach.
course you can give, but this is not equally important. But I will just write like ServiceNow professional, ServiceNow coach. I will just write ServiceNow coach. More about you. Okay. Now let's say you don't know. Yeah, it happens. Nobody knows about themselves until and unless they have to attend an interview. Yes or no?
Right. Right. Right.
Right. So more about you. Let's say interest, values, preferences to keep in mind. You can write as of now. Let's say you are going to work as a business analyst in ServiceNow. Let's say let me take my example. So let's say I will just write ServiceNow developer, okay, and coding enthusiast, okay, coding and scripting. So what it will do, it will understand you actually. So making the AI tool understand you is equally important. Okay, see, any AI tool, even if you write hello, how are you, it will give you output, but that is not something which is expected as an end user, right? That you are writing hi, how are you doing, and it will go, hey, I'm doing good, what about you? No, the best prompt engineers are those prompt engineers who are able to get what actually was the expected output. Yes or no? If you are able to get the expected output by writing or by tweaking your prompts, you are a good prompt engineer. You have learned the mastery of writing prompts. Yes or no? Now see, memory feature. This is very, very important. Now what it is saying? Reference saved memories, reference chat history. I will just turn this on, both these things on. Click on manage. Right now, if you look, there are no any memories, right? There are no any memories, right? Memories feature is one of the very important features. Okay, why? I will tell you. Because most of the ChatGPT nowadays outputs are based upon the memories and custom instructions. Okay, so what I will do, I will tell you. I will now open up my okay. Wait, I will just open up my Abir LinkedIn. Okay. Okay. So just a second. Let me just copy this. Okay. Something about myself. Okay. And I will again come back to ChatGPT. Okay. I will again come back to ChatGPT. Okay. And what I will do, help me update ChatGPT memory based upon my about myself. Okay, about myself. Okay, and now what I will do, I will just write this and I will hit enter. See, I'm not doing anything, Dipali. I'm not doing anything. Whatever I want, I'm using my brain. I'm just using my brain. What I did, see, boom, got it. I have updated your memory with your professional background as ServiceNow, as a senior ServiceNow trainer and consultant. See the magic. This way I can tailor future answers to align. Similarly, you have to do yes. Now this ChatGPT knows what is the output that I'm expecting if I'm asking something, and this ChatGPT also knows that who I am, what I am. Now let's also verify whether we have something in the memory or not. So if you look carefully, memory is now updated, right? Previously it was showing some error, and right now let me ask a new chat. Let me create a new chat and ask, could you please tell me, tell me from your memory, who is Abir? Abir. Okay, let's see. Boom. Now see now it has been perfectly trained. So that means you have to equally verify. If you are doing some customizations, first you verify that. Okay, after doing the verification, that if it is giving you a perfect output, okay, now everything is clear. You can, okay, now also if you look carefully, yeah, see memories, it has really captured very If you still want to update something in future, the memories still you can do it. It's just like give a prompt like update this in your memory. Simple. Update this in your memory. Okay, and it will always. Okay, you can also ask ChatGPT. Could you please tell me? Could you please tell me what is the custom instruction given it to you? Okay, now see. Read this. Dipali, read this.
Yeah, here's the customer. I should respond formally. Yes. What exactly means
Whatever,
the behavior
right,
detailed
whatever
things
we
we had
have
asked,
given,
right?
right, whatever we
Mm-hmm.
have given, right. Now, coming back to the prompt engineering technique, right? Now we learned
Mm-hmm.
how to set up your tool perfectly customized for you, perfectly designed for you. That all customization we did it, right? Most of the
Mm-hmm.
users won't be doing this. They will directly open ChatGPT, new chat. They will write something. They will get the output, and that's it. And out of those, most of the candidates, 65% will be telling that no, ChatGPT doesn't give exactly what you are looking for. It doesn't give the output exactly what you were looking for. It exactly doesn't give the output that what you were expecting for. Why? Because ChatGPT is not a human. It will only tell you what you will be giving it as an input. If your inputs are not clear, if your inputs are not well structured,
Mm-hmm.
you will get the output also the same way. A very blurry, shaky and laggy output, which you will really not like it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, okay. Let me draw this okay. Just a second. I have to bring all the other tabs from another tab to here. Okay. So just let me bring that. So I hope now this is clear, Dipali. What actually is a prompt
Yeah.
engineering? Who is a prompt engineer? And then
Mm.
what is prompt engineering and all? So now what are the tones, right? So this that we learn about is what are they? Tones. Then what was that another thing? Tone, styles, and behavior, right? These are the
Behavior.
three things which all the any AI based tool will follow. Okay, tone, tone, sorry, tone, style, and behavior.
Style and
Any
behavior.
any any chat GPT, any AI tool will follow. Okay, there is no doubt in this. Okay, anything, any question that you
No,
would
no.
like to ask? Okay, fine. So you
Yeah.
should understand this very equally. Okay, now let's go to the next. What are the techniques? What are the prompt writing techniques? You have to write a prompt, right? So there you have to
Right.
you should be knowing how to write a prompt properly. So techniques, these are very important. So there are a couple of techniques I will tell you. Okay, so the first technique is it's called as RTF. What is the first technique? It's called as RTF.
RTF.
What is this RTF? I will just give you us. Just read this. What is this RTF? Role, task, format. Let's say role is act as a brand strategist. So in your case, what you will be doing? Act as a ServiceNow consultant, ServiceNow technical consultant, or ServiceNow business process
Right.
consultant, or ServiceNow business analyst. And what is the
Right.
task? You will give the task. You want something, you want to write a Jira story, right? Then you need to define the
Hmm.
format. You want it in a bullet format, core message, value, props, proof, CTS, like that way. Or you want a list uh, in a sequential way, or in a short paragraph way, in a long paragraph way, whatever the format that you want, right? You have to define that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
This is the first. This is the first technique. There are
Mm-hmm.
more techniques. It's not like that this is only the one. There are more techniques. Second way, there is a second technique. This is equally more, if I can say, equally more, I can say, significant and impactful as well. What is the second one? I will tell you. Let me just paste it somewhere. Okay. What is the second one? Just read this. What is the second one saying? Solve. This is the second technique. Situation, objective, limitations, vision, then execution. Now, you imagine yourself in this second trick of writing the prompt. You are leading a content team at a startup that just launched a new B2B product. What you will be writing? You are leading a ServiceNow team at your company name that just launched a new product, whatever product they have launched. Objective, you know the objective. Limitation, what actually you want, that is the limitation of that project. You can just put the limitation. What is the vision? You can, and also what actually you want to execute. Just put that. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Next, we have the third technique. It's called a tag technique. What is this tag? Any guesses that you would like to do? Any guesses that you would like to do? Let me just put down somewhere here the tag technique. This is the tag technique, ma'am. What is this tag technique? Task, action, goal. Simple. What is the task? What is the action you want? What is the goal you want to achieve? Simple. Got it?
Right. RTF.
What?
Solve. Okay.
So what's next? Race. Race. These all are the techniques that I'm teaching you. Okay. See, you can write anything. Whatever you wish to write, you can write anything. But do you think writing anything is really going to help ChatGPT achieve what actually you were looking for? No. Yes or no? It's not actually. Yes or no? You have to follow a proper structure. You have to follow a style. Yes. And that is called as prompt writing styles or prompt writing techniques. We call it as prompt writing techniques. These all are whatever I'm teaching. These all are the prompt writing techniques, ma'am. These all are not like a simple story that I'm telling you. These all are the techniques. What is this fourth technique? Just read this. Race. R for
context.
Yes. Now you need to imagine yourself in any one of these writing techniques, and accordingly you have to write your prompt. Got it?
Okay, I need to choose anyone.
It's not. Yes, it's not like if you have to always write like whatever you want to. No. Right? You have to choose anyone. But why I'm saying anyone? Because these are the popular writing techniques. There are more. This was the fourth one. There is the fifth one. Dream. This is also a writing technique. What is this dream means for? Yes, this is the fifth one, ma'am. Just read this. Please read this. What is this? Just read this. What is this dream means for? Define, research, execute, analyze, measure. If you want to do a research on a particular topic, on a particular customer, it can be anything, right? Customer data or anything, right? Or customer requirement. You can go for dream. Are you getting my points? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
What next? Pact. 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 This is also one of the writing techniques. What does this pact stand for? Yes. What does this pact stands for? I will tell you. Sorry. What does this pact stand for? Yes, ma'am. Please read this now.
Problem, approach, compromise, test.
Yes. Now, depending upon the requirement, you have to choose what is the which style you have to pick. So that it will exactly give what actually you were looking for. Got it, ma'am? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Got it?
Yes.
Okay, next is care. Yes, care. ChatGPT cares for you as well, equally. Now you might be wondering, what is this care and how do I care for ChatGPT and how will ChatGPT care for me? So this is how ChatGPT
Mhm.
will care for you. Care means context, action, result, example. Okay, context,
Right.
example. Now read this last one. What does this example means for? That means you can give an example, a short example. So how the redesigned onboarding helped increase activation from 25% to 42%. If you read the context,
Mhm.
a SaaS company sees low engagement with its onboarding tutorials. Action: redesign the onboarding flow to focus on features new users quickly adopt. Result: higher product adoption within first 30 days. And then you have to give an example of other companies, of other customers. And ChatGPT, what it will do, it will try to replicate, or it will try to just clone that example just to make yours one. Yes.
Right. Yeah.
Next also we have is rise. Rise. Any idea what is this rise plan or what is this rise feature?
No.
Okay, let me just give it. Rise. Just read this now, please. Yes, read this now. What is this rise stands for?
Role input steps exception.
Yes. Yes.
I guess this is better.
Okay. Now very simple rise either so my one of my favorite is either I will go with care approach or rise approach, and the one more is there, I will go with this approach, race approach. Role, action, context and expectation. Either you go with role race, or you go with care, or you go with rise approach. Okay,
Mhm.
let me give you an example. Let's say I want that my chat GPT should write me a good, help me, help me write a
Mhm.
good, write a good LinkedIn, LinkedIn post. Okay, LinkedIn post. Okay, on how to start scripting, how to start scripting, scripting as a beginner. Okay, as a beginner. So what I'm doing, see, what I will do first, I will specify that context. Okay, so
Mhm.
uh, I will just write, help me write a good LinkedIn post. Before that, I will just write, act as a act as a professional professional social media content writer, content writer. Got it? Social media content writer. So it will now have that uh, context, what actually it has to behave like. And then what is that, what can you tell me, what is this approach I'm taking in this, out of this all writing style? Any
Rise. Rise is better.
rise role, I'm giving the role, act as a social media content. Now describe the input needed, so I'm giving the input, help me write a good LinkedIn post on
Post.
how to. So this is again a object, expectations, right? Steps. Could you ask for expectation means describe the expectations, right?
Steps.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, what else? What else? Role input steps. Could you ask for steps to follow? Expectation, describe the expectation. Okay, so now I have given this help me write a good LinkedIn post on how to start scripting as a beginner. Okay, now I will also give
Hmm.
follow up a example, or follow up a example below, and what I will do, simply I will just open hack now LinkedIn. Okay, I will just open hack now LinkedIn, and I will just
Mhm.
open up any random post of hack now. Simple, very simple. Okay, let me just open up any. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, this is, let's say they have let's say somebody has posted something about scripting. Okay, so I will just open this. Okay, and I will just copy this entire text. I will give this as a example. Okay, example within square brackets. I'm giving this as an example, and boom! Now you will see the magic. See, see it has exactly copied the same style. Got it? See? Got it?
Yeah.
Now,
Right.
next. Now the next question. If you are not aware how to write a prompt, in fact you can do the same thing. What you will do? Okay, let's say I want to write a very good prompt. Okay, but I don't know how to write it. No worries. You just have to utilize your brain. What I will do? I will just copy this entire thing. Okay, and I will open up a new chat. Okay, and I will just write, help me write a good prompt prompt following following the below prompt writing pattern. Okay, and what is that pattern? This is the pattern. I will just write pattern. I will just write pattern. And what is this pattern? I will just copy this pattern from here itself. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which one shall I copy? Let me copy
Raise
the
and
rise one. Okay, let me copy the rise one. This is the pattern. Okay, and I will just close this square bracket, and here is the sample post. Sample post. Okay, and I will just again come back here. I will just copy this entire post like this way. Okay, and I think that is gone or what? Okay, I will just paste it here. Now see what I did. I am making ChatGPT only to write a prompt for me. Now see, you will see this. Now see the magic. Got it. You want me to help you frame rise style prompt for your LinkedIn post idea like the sample you gave. See. Got it?
okay, role and put a step. Yeah, got it.
It has given me a prompt. Now it is also asking. It is also asking, would you like me now to convert the rise prompt into the actual LinkedIn post? I will just say yes. I will just say yes. Nothing more than that. And boom, it will give you the exact. See? Are you seeing this now?
Yeah.
Exact replication. Exact. Even if you can verify season 1, season 2, season 3. If you come here, see season 1, season 2, season 3. So it is just like how well you are training your LLMs.
LLM.
How well you are training. The
Yeah, means
more,
how which your
how much clarity, how much context you are giving to the tool, and the more clarity you will be giving, the more information you will be giving, you will be getting exactly more precise outputs. Got it? You will be getting more exactly precise outputs. So that is something called as how you do the customization, how you do the personalization, what is role, what is behavior, what is tone, and how you can write different types of prompt techniques. So what are the different types of prompt techniques we learn? First one that we
RTF,
learned is
solve,
RTF, yes, solve, tag,
tag,
race, right, dream,
race,
pact, care, rise. And out of this, there is one very popular, and that is nothing but, I will tell you, it's called as markdown prompting. Okay, it's called as, wait, I will just write it here itself. I will just write it. What is markdown prompting? What is markdown prompting? Technique. I will just write technique. I will hit enter. Now see. Boom. See the magic. See, what it is saying, just read this. Just read this first 3 lines.
formatting the change. structuring method actually.
Yes. So just think of this. Think of the mark. Just read this.
Think of the markdown, simple formatting language. Okay, means wherever full stop punctuations are needed,
Mhm.
that also come.
Okay. There it has also given some of the examples of markdown prompting. Just see. Act as a social media content writer. Help me
My
write a
role
LinkedIn
is
post on.
this,
Yes.
input is this, steps are these.
Yeah. Yeah, now see, the
Okay.
role is this, input is this, steps. It has given the step expectation.
Mhm.
The markdown version is much easier for both humans and AI to process. That means, in short, markdown prompting is about formatting your
I have
instructions
a
with.
question
Yeah, please.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Can be asked Chat GPT
Mm-hmm.
to help understanding the how license subscription works in the
Okay.
service now.
Bilkul, why not? What is markdown prompting? Okay, I will just give the answer. Just a second. So, I hope now at least this gave you a clarity. What is this markdown prompting? Yes or no?
Right. Mm-hmm.
This is very important. So, what is markdown formatting? Markdown prompting is nothing but like it's just like how well you are structuring your uh, prompt. I will also give some of the examples of markdown prompting. Okay. Wait, I will just show you what actually the question that you were asking. I will tell you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you. And I'll also give you how exactly how efficiently you can write a prompt for that. I will tell you. Okay. I will show you with
Mm-hmm.
that example along with this markdown prompting style. But before that, let me just. Is there any other font? Comic Sans. Okay. Now example. Okay. Let me just example of markdown prompting. Okay. So this is a example. Okay. I will just copy. Okay. Sorry. I will come here and I will paste it. So see, this is a example of markdown prompting. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Example of markdown prompting techniques. So these are the some of the techniques that every prompt engineer should be mastering so that they can really get what exactly they are looking for. Got it? Yes. And there are lots of things, but those are lots of things are really not required when you are beginning. It's just like even if you know this much and if you are excelling into this, it will be more than sufficient. I can say, okay, it will be more than
Mm-hmm.
sufficient. So this is, ma'am. Now let me come back to ChatGPT. So this is the style of markdown prompting. Now I will just write. Do you have? Do you have? Do you have all previous context? Okay, I'm asking a question. I'm not doing anything. I'm just asking. Do you have all previous context? It is saying yes. It is saying you have asked me to help me create a Rise style prompt. Before that, we talked about your background and all.
Mm-hmm.
Then we also explored about markdown prompting. It is having all the context. Now what it is saying? Do you want me to always keep your LinkedIn post style, writing style famous like in memory? Do you want this to be in memory? So we can reuse them quickly without rebuilding from scratch. I will say
Right.
yes. Yes. Please update. Please update the memory. Okay. Hit enter. Now it will update. Updated the memory. What is this updated? Rise and markdown prompting. Now what I will ask. Okay. Now help me write a markdown markdown prompt on below topic which I will be feeding to another AI tool. Okay. And what is this below topic? What are what is a license? What is a license in ServiceNow? In ServiceNow, and its kinds, applications, applications, uses, pricings. Okay, pricings. Okay, I will hit enter. Boom! See the magic. It is helping me write a markdown based prompt, and this is a prompt. I will start a new chat instead. I will give this write this entire prompt. I will hit enter, and now you will see the magic. Ma'am, do you see the magic?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
do you see the magic now? Hello, hello.
Yes, 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 yes.
Are you getting any kind of at least a little bit of goosebumps?
So much. I
Okay.
Can you repeat again to write how you have come up to there?
I will in fact I will share you this entire link only. You only just click this link and you will be able to read each of them. Okay. I will just click on create link, and you can always click on these links and you can always open them. You can always explore them, always learn them at your end. No need to just go through the recordings and all. Okay. I have given this link in the Teams chat. I hope now. Do you want these notes as well? I will share these notes as well if you
Yeah,
want
yeah.
this.
It would be really good if you can.
Okay. Yes, yes. I am sharing you the notes as well. Definitely.
Means
Here is
this
the notes.
recording session, you will be updating it, and later you will upload it.
Yes, definitely. I will be updating, and I will be also giving you these recordings as well. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, so now just tell me, how was the session? What were your key learnings? What were your key achievements from this entire 1 hour of session?
It was really nice. Means we can bring ourselves to any level. Uh,
Okay.
Obviously, AI is really helpful,
Yes.
and instead of wasting time on a searching, we can get the precise detail, and that's how
Yes.
we can update ourselves too. So I guess
Yes.
AI is helping us a lot.
Yes. Yes. Anything about hack now about me?
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, thank you for all the work you are done. So obviously, in Hack Now, you all have means the brilliant people. You are giving the exceptional training and the experienced. You are very experienced professional. So by
Thank you
your
so much.
expertise, we can be accommodate in my career, and even we can provide the good result. So thanks
Thank you.
for helping us in mentoring, guiding, teaching.
Definitely,
I
and
really like to join. I mean, I love to join Hack Now again
thank you
and
so
again
much. It's
wherever
been
it is needed.
it's been our pleasure to have you in our family member, and definitely we will keep coming with. In fact, our team is working. In fact, I am also working on this AI stuff, and very soon we are going to
Mm-hmm.
launch AI based curriculums like scripting with ServiceNow.
Right.
AI based scripting in ServiceNow, AI based
Yeah,
research
yeah.
in ServiceNow, learn Chat GPT and other tools, learn prompt
Mm-hmm.
engineering. Those kinds of curriculums we are very soon we are going to launch, and those all curriculums will be solely and wholly created from scratch at Hacknow. So
Yeah,
definitely,
yeah.
yeah. So, but I guess today, you might have got at least those concepts which you were never ever aware of, because ChatGPT everybody is using. The moment you sign
But
up a
how to
console,
use that
yes,
is different.
right. But how to exactly use it in an efficient way so that you get a very precise answer in the
Mm-hmm.
same exactly the way and the output which you were expecting for. That is called as mastering the art of
Mastering.
writing prompts, right?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, any AI tool, even if you write "Hello Dumbu," it will give you some dumbish answer. But that is not expectation, right? The expectation
Yeah.
is really what actually I'm looking for, whether I am able to get that or not. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
So that is what expectation is. But anyway, I have given you all the links, so please feel free to revise the notes. Revise. I have also given you the link for that chat GPT. You can go.
Mm-hmm.
You can just go on that link and you can see what how I have written the prompts. I will also give the link for that how to tell chat GPT to write prompt on behalf of you. Okay. So just a second.
Yeah, yeah.
I will just
So much to consume, but I had consumed a lot. I
yeah.
need to revise that
Yeah,
actually.
I just revise
Then
it
you
once. Yeah,
explain.
yeah, yeah. Just if you revise it once, definitely I think things will be
I'll be
pretty much
getting
clear.
in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Because because I know my 1 hour session is really I first of all it might be little fast, and secondly
Mm-hmm.
there every second there will be a value bomb, so it's really very difficult to consume everything in one go. But
Mm-hmm.
definitely if you
Yeah.
revise, yeah, definitely you can do it. So with this, I would really like to formally close this session, and of course, I will be me and my team will be there always for you in every kind of AI related stuff. So yeah, feel free to be there with us, and
I
uh,
really like to being a part of Hack Now family. So whenever
thanks,
I need
thanks.
it,
It's really
I
our
can
pleasure, I
means
can
I
say.
don't have any other way to go out. I just simply refer Hack Now because I know this family will definitely help me out.
Definitely, thanks a lot for considering and keeping that high hope and high standards on us. And definitely, it's been our pleasure, I can say. And thanks once again, Dipali. Thank you so much. So with this,
Yeah, yeah,
of course, I
anything.
will say